Hello everyone, my name is Satish Kumar son of Shanmugam, and today we are going to talk about the evolution of data storage. What is data storage? A data storage device is a device used for recording and storing information, also data. The information is kept in a digital format that may be retrieved at a later time. Storage devices had evolved over the years. The methods and technology used vary greatly, but the basic concept is always the same. Information is kept so that it can be accessed again later. First example, CD-ROM in 1982. CD, read-only memory. It stands for CD-ROM. Data can only be written once. Once the bits are burnt to the source, that part of the disk cannot be used again for storage, although it can be replayed endless times. The CD was developed by Sony and Philips in 1982 for distributing music. CDR. And later on it was developed as CDR in 1990s. CDR, the CDR CD recordable disk is a compact disk which can be written only once and saved but can read relatively many times, and also developed by both Sony and Philips. Recordable CDs were a new alternative to tape for recording and copying music without the effects introduced in compression used in the digital recording methods. Physical elements of CDR. The size, its storage capacity is almost 156 MB to 210 MB and weighs in the range of 14 to 33 grams. Portability, it's fairly portable, too large to fit in a pocket, but it will easily fit inside a bag. Durability, easily scratched if a little force exerted on it and prone to heat. It should be placed in a plastic case to avoid scratches and damages. Non-physical elements. Cost. The CD costs more per byte of storage than DVDs, hard disks, magnetic tapes, or flash memory. CDR sold for approximately $40 at that time. The accessibility. Data in can be accessed by using CD or DVD drive. Zip drive. It was developed on 1994. The zip drive is a removable floppy disk storage system that was introduced. The next example is zip drive. It was built on 1994. The zip drive is a removable floppy disk storage that was introduced by Lomega in late 1994. Considered medium to high capacity at the time of its release. Physical elements of floppy disk. Physical elements of zip drive. The size and weight. The home of the floppy disk originally launched with capacity of 100 MB. Portability. A zip drive is a small portable. A zip drive is a portable disk drive used primarily for backing up and archiving personal computer files. A zip drive is a small portable disk used primarily for backing up and archiving personal computer files. The durability. Zip drive is dust resistant and covered by plastic around the drive. Less durability. Zip drive is a dust resistant and covered by durability. The zip drive is a dust resistant and covered by a plastic around the drive. It has the less chance to dust attack. Zip drive is a quite tough and strong. Zip drive is made up of strong plastics and metals. And durability of zip drive is average. Zip drive is a heat resistant and protect from overheat. Non-physical elements of zip drive. It costs about $200 equivalent to more than RM500 at that time. Accessibility. It a drive and it can read zip disks on the size compatibility. My partner Loga will take on from here and he will be explaining about other storage devices.
Okay, hello, my name is Logaraj, son of Damodaran, and my metric ID is 01DDT19F2088. Okay, I'm going to tell you about DVD. Okay, what is DVD first of all? A DVD is called a digital versatile disc or digital video disc. Is similar to a CD-ROM in that you can only read the data from it. The main difference of the DVD is that the DVD can store much more data than any types of CDs. So next thing, what is DVD-R? Okay, in 1985, DVD-R is a recordable DVD format where only record data once. The data becomes permanent on the disc and can't be recorded for second time. So the physical element of this is first of all the size and weight. Okay, what's the size and the weight of the DVD? Okay, a single layer DVD-R can store 4.7 GB of data. Okay, then other than that, double layer DVD-R can store data up to 9 GB, much better than CDs. Okay, the portability is it's fairly portable, too large to fit into a pocket, but will be easy fit inside a bag as same as CDs. Okay, then the durability. The durability of the CD is easily scratched if a little much force exerted on it and prone to heat. Should be placed in a plastic case to avoid damages. Alright, now I'll tell you about a non-physical element. Okay, what is non-physical element? Such as cost and accessibility. Okay, now I'll tell about the cost of the CD. Each disc of DVD-R costs $30 to $40, and the accessibility is needs a computer with a DVD drive in order to read the disc and cannot be read by a CD drive, but the DVD drives can read CDs. Alright, now I will tell you about the SD card. SD card is made in 1999. Okay, what is SD card? SD stands for Secure Digital. Official abbreviate SSD. Is a non-volatile memory card format developed by SD Association SDA. Okay, in August 1999, by joint efforts between SanDisk, Panasonic, or Matsushita Electric, and Toshiba as an improvement over multimedia cards MMC, won and become industry standard. There was standard SD card, type SD card available in market in 1999. Okay, this is the about SD card. So physical elements. Okay, what's the physical elements of this SD card? Okay, first of all, the size and the weight. The first SD cards held around 64 MB. Then portability is very portable as it is designed to be fitted into selective electronic device, can keep in our pocket and bring it anywhere. Opportunity of losing and damaging is high due its smaller size and design. Because the weight or the size is smaller, it's easy to damage in a high dew. Okay, then durability. Okay, durability of this SD card very durable, can resist pressure, temperature up to 85 Celsius. It has a limited number of write cycles which limits its useful life, may easily damaged if not kept safely. Chips can affected, SD card can be broken. Okay, the non-physical elements. Okay, first one is the cost. The cost of SD card. The price of 64 MB of data and was given a price tag of $99 back then. Okay, the accessibility, access by that support SD card, cameras, handheld computer at the same time. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay guys, my name is Sadgunan Puvalan and now I am going to explain about the USB flash drive. This device consists of flash memory encased in a small form factor container with a USB interface, used for data storage and in the backup and transferring of files between various devices. They were faster and had a great data capacity than earlier storage media. Now I am going to explain about the physical elements and non-physical elements. The first one is size and weight. The initial storage capacity is 8 megapixel, which developed by IBM. The weight about less than 30 grams. The portability is very portable as it is designed by the filtered into small electronic devices. Can sit in our pockets and really easy to bring it anywhere. The durability is very durable. Can withstand pressure, temperature extremes and accident damage. It has a limited number of read and write cycles which limits its useful life. Damage in the tips contains the chips could make it unusable. The non-physical elements are, the cost is the 128 megapixel costs around RM100 in the consequent year. The accessibility can be accessed by inserting into any devices that contains a USB port. Only computers or laptop those days accumulate these ports on that time. Okay, the next is cloud storage. Cloud storage means the storage of data online in the cloud, wherein the data is shared and accessible from multiple distributed and connected resources that comprise is cloud. It provides the benefits of greater accessibility, reliability, rapid developments, storage protections for data backup, archival and disaster recovery purpose. Examples are Google Drive, SkyDrive, like that. Now we go to physical elements of cloud storage and the non-physical elements. The size and weight is, the initial storage will be provided by the service providers and it depends on the companies that providing it. Example, Google Drive provide free 15 GB initially and iCloud allocates 5 GB for free storage. The basic storage will be defined or fixed by the same service providers. The portability, it is a highly portable. Internet is the main tool that carries this cloud storage along with a person. It can be accessible anywhere and anytime with the use of internet. The next is durability. Highly durable. The availability of actual so higher where the service provided will manage our data and files very well at most. That makes the cloud storage to be highly durable, but more companies given 99.9999999% of reliability. That means it's too close to 100% of trust, but little errors may can happen. And then the last is non-physical elements. Cost. Basic storage will be defined or allocated by the same service providers and it's free. We can purchase or buy additional online storage if we want more. As an example, in 2013, Google Drive offered 100 GB and 200 GB for 8 ringgit 49 cents and 11 ringgit 99 cents respectively for per month. And then the accessibility. It can be accessible anywhere and anytime with the use of internet, can be accessed by any devices that can support the internet connection and cloud service. And that's all from me. Thank you.
And now let me explain the technique used. There are various techniques to carry out the observation, and our group used the automated analysis technique to fulfill this task. Automated analysis technique actually says that we can collect data rather than only the human source, so that we carried out this observation by collecting data from electronic devices. We used the internet service to obtain the informations. We have also attached the referral links that we use to obtain information for your reference. And that's all from us.